Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
We're Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
'Cause I'm too loud.
No joke.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
Welcome back to another Student versus Teacher.
Without Choke.
Where is Choke?
He's still sunburnt.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, that'll teach him.
Yep, his girlfriend's really peeved at him.
Right.
So,
Where's she?
Well, she's still right next to him, pecking his head and yelling at him.
Right, okay.
So, next week, hopefully, guys, we will have the return of them. But for now, we just...
I guess it's just you then, Tink.
Yep. Thanks, Tinker Girl. Oh, and don't forget...
Stinker.
We've got other toys.
It's alright, Stinker's still here.
Now, Wombat's hit the rules this week.
Yeah. I have hit the rules this week.
Yep. I'm a bit nervous about this one, guys.
Rightio. So,
Yeah.
what you can do is any design your heart desires.
Okay, that's pretty fair.
Yep. But you've got to use your digit, one of these little guys, to modify it.
Hey?
You can't use a skewer. You know how you usually use a skewer to modify it?
Yes.
Yeah, well, no. You've got to use your finger. Any finger.
So not just a fingers tap?
No. No, you've got to actually drag it through and...
Oh, crap. That sounds more difficult. Okay. Right.
It's real life finger painting.
Anyone want to trade places with me right now? I'm a bit frightened now. All right. No, I'm going to... Okay. Right.
You got this.
Use my finger as a skewer.
And what we'll do is call this episode...
as a skewer.
Drag a digit.
Drag a digit. Oh, God, I'm... How do you make this look good with putting your finger through it?
Easy. You watched me do it 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, but I'm thinking about me actually doing it. I'm
You
just
got
going,
this.
what the hell?
If I
Wombat?
can do it, anyone can. Trust me.
Right.
It's going to be fun.
Okay.
Don't let fear hold you back.
I never do.
You got this.
I probably do need to learn to get a bit of fear, but it's not going to happen too soon.
Speaking of fear, Bubbles,
Yes, dear?
what episode's this? Okay, so Student versus Teacher last week you would have seen. I forgot to mention it because you know I'm old and frail. But I'm gonna drop you in it this week.
Mm-hmm.
What happened at the beach while you were snorkeling, my little petal?
I got to see
Yeah.
3 banjo sharks. I got to see cool catfish.
Yeah.
He was really cool. Yeah, lots of cool fish.
Yeah.
Had a good time.
What did you see? Any other type of special fish?
Yep.
What was it?
Stingrays.
A stingray.
3 of them.
3 stingrays.
Yep.
And did you go full Steve Irwin with a stingray?
Yes, I got too close.
And
I
what
broke
happened?
my golden rule.
You broke your golden rule with a stingray?
Yeah,
and
no,
what happened?
No sympathy, it's on me. It is not the creature's fault. He stabbed me and went about an inch in my foot.
Yes, he did.
And damn, that shit hurts.
How bad does that sting?
Mate, you know you're alive. I get some pretty nasty RA and lupus flare-ups, but tell you what, stingray kicks both their asses.
Don't they what?
Mate, she hurt. But, yeah.
So we had to carry the Bubbles out of the water,
Yep.
back to the car to get her home, to put a foot in a bucket of hot water,
Highly embarrassing.
clean out the wound, and
Wanted to walk, but it was bleeding like a stuffed pig, so
Yeah.
I got told I wasn't allowed to. Still say I could have done it.
no, you couldn't. You couldn't even stand on it.
Then he wouldn't even let me back in the water that day.
Nope.
Made me go home.
I made you go home.
Yes, he did. So, boo Wombat. Boo Wombat.
So there you go, people.
Yep.
If you're in the water, watch out for stingrays because they will spoil your day.
Yeah, but I mean, they don't intentionally. They don't. They don't mean it. They're really beautiful.
They are. They're lovely creatures, but you got to remember you're playing in their little territory, and
Yeah, and as I said, all on me, I got too close.
Yeah,
I
you did.
know better. Did not do that. And they friggin' hurt.
Yeah,
That's
they
all
do.
I got. They really hurt. I think the whole of that beach hurt my swear.
Yes. You're lucky you got you in the foot.
Oh, very lucky. And I'm lucky it was only realistically a little one.
There's only a little dude, yeah.
It wasn't one of the big ones that look like a big streamlined butterfly in the ocean. They're just, oh, they're gorgeous. Not aggressive. Alright.
There actually are a couple of fun ones out there that are like 4 feet
Yeah,
in
there is.
diameter.
Yep.
They're huge.
That's like the big girl I snorkel with at Cabbage Tree. I tell you what, I'm glad she didn't tag me.
Oh,
That'd be a pain in the half. She is massive. She's like Jurassic size.
Yeah.
Is the best way I can describe her. The first time she come in, we were snorkeling just as it was coming into the high. And we're out in the depths, me and my son. And then all of a sudden, you just seen this enormous shadow. It was like the sun had just been taken away from the water. And it was her coming in. But absolutely beautiful to watch her come in, but also frightening.
oh yeah.
Really intimidating because she made us look so small.
That's because it's 6.5 foot across.
Mm.
Total length's like 8-9 foot.
But oh, so beautiful. So
She's a
very
big
beautiful.
girl.
Oh, she's beautiful. But yeah. So as I say, have your respect, keep your distance, you don't get hurt. Not their fault. Alright, here we go, Wombat.
So what did we have for lunch today?
Seafood. Cop that.
Cop that. Payback.
Ate your family members.
It was delicious.
It really was.
Oops.
But oh yeah, wow. You just got to respect the ocean and what's in it.
That you do.
As I said, I don't blame it. My son stood on it twice, so I kept saying to them, watch where you put your feet down. Oh, it's a stingray. Well, watch where you put your feet down. So by the time I went over that section and had a good look, it went, no, you're not going to step on me. Both your sons already did. That's all that was, Wombat.
Right.
So really I can blame the kids.
Right, yeah.
They peeved it off first. Got Mum attacked.
You should be able to pull this one off pretty good because you've got little skinny fingers. Me, I've
Yeah,
got-
but you've got that one rockin' fingernail you keep for working with vinyl and everything.
I do.
Alright. Now, what I learned by watching,
Yeah.
I need to put my finger in now before I spin.
Yeah, don't spin it out, otherwise you get big trenches
Yep. I don't
and they
want
won't
that.
fill.
And it'll probably look yucky. Alright. What we might do...
So if you want, you can use your pinky because your pinky's the narrowest. Yeah, see? Finger painting at its best.
That's pretty cool, actually.
That is super
You
cool.
know what? For anyone that doesn't have marbles...
You're saying it now. I knew I
You know
should've
what? That
trademarked
just
that.
come out naturally then.
Yeah, when you want to play with marbles.
if anyone actually has marbles... oh, am I even saying it normal now? I just
Yes,
don't
you
know.
are.
But, put your finger in. Look at that. Same effects. Or if you struggle controlling the marble,
Yeah.
use your finger.
You can actually get it to do the same thing with a straw.
Yeah. But if you want them wispy lines like the marble does the same thing,
Yeah,
fingers got you covered.
that's right.
Look at trippy cells in this here.
How cool is that? Gotta love finger painting.
I actually quite dug that. That's pretty. That's pretty good, actually.
See? I told you it's fun.
I take back calling you an idiot when you said you wanted to do something like this. I'm like, you're an idiot. I'm not doing it. You know what?
That's what it's all about. Student versus Teacher is just a fun episode where we muck around and Give people a giggle for the day.
Tell you what though, I'm sort of digging that. That'd be cool for one of my backgrounds.
I know, perfect embellishment piece, eh?
Yeah, because you got the lines and, oh yeah, okay, it's pretty cool.
See, I told ya.
I'm coming around.
Rightio, well, we'll do a flyover of that one. See? How cool's that look?
Alright, I'm coming around, you have to rub it in.
I told ya.
You did. I take back calling you an idiot.
Thanks.
Until the next time I do.
Right. It'll be like 5 minutes time.
Oh, at least. You got a bit of time. Well, that's cool. That was yeah, surprising.
Fun, isn't it?
Didn't expect it to be, but yes, it is.
There you go.
And that's a cool alternate to the marble roll with the same effects.
Like you said, if you haven't got a marble, or you can't control it real good, dip your finger in it.
Yeah, so it's giving it that same lines of effects that you get.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's fun.
All right. We'll come back and let you play with your finger, Nixon.
You.
Thanks, Tinker Girl. We are back.
We are back.
What do you got for us, Mr. Wombat?
Well, let's have some fun, shall we?
That's the plan.
Right here then. So, I'm just going to draw lines up middle. So that was neon magenta.
Beautiful colour, though.
It is a luscious colour.
That one's the Harry and Wilma one.
It is. Then we'll put down.
I love that blue.
Yeah, ultramarine blue.
It's a really, really beautiful colour. Matisse.
Yep, Matisse. Then we've got Matisse Southern Ocean Blue.
Two of my favourites. It's looking good already, Wombat.
I know. Go figure. Then we've got Eye Candy's Proton Purple.
Yeah, that's a pretty colour.
Because I love it.
Really pretty colour.
If you're in the States and you want Eye Candy pigments, have a look in the description. There's a 10% off discount code if you use venomfluidart. Bargain. Alright. We've got some pink.
That's nice too. What's that one when you...
That is a Harry and Wilma pink.
Yeah, that's nice.
Neon pink.
The depths of their colours are really amazing, actually, Harry and Wilma.
I love them.
Like, that's their orange.
That is their orange.
Beautiful colour.
That's
That goes really good with the pink.
Yep, that's their neon orange, which is absolutely delightful.
It actually looks along the lines of arc orange.
It does. Alright, I'm going to add some yellow just here. Do this bit. Like that.
That's nice.
I love it. Then, I'm going to get the little swiper tool
That I cleaned earlier for you.
that you did clean earlier, and some black Activator.
I know you're going black.
Yes.
Surprised me then. I really thought you were going to rock white.
No. So, I'm going to go, probably stop about halfway, just because I want it thicker.
Yeah, you try and drag your CA out over too far and it just smooches.
It does.
Which sometimes you can want that effect on the edges, but
You can.
I don't like it right in the centre.
No,
You're the same, aren't you?
I am. I'm a fussy little chap.
Nothing wrong with that. Well, not really. You just like what you like.
Well, yeah. Right, so I'm just going to add a little bit more yellow at the side.
You want the bold line. Yep.
Like that. And, because I'm greedy,
I knew you'd have to do one more colour or two. You're a bit predictable then. Been painting with you too long.
I know. Right.
Yeah, that's cool. Look how them cells are going in the middle.
Aren't they crazy cool nuts?
Really love that.
Alright, here's a fun bit. Digit.
You got that swell mastered.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's cool.
I know.
I like how you've caught a piece of the dark going around the ring around the outside.
Speaking of rings, look at that.
That could be how we can do my tornado. Might have to be the finger roll.
The finger roll.
Oh, now you got me thinking.
Right, just started off slow, put my finger on. That way it catches the paint.
I need to grow me little pinky.
Runs it along the edge. Now it's going to flow down the sides when you spin it out.
That's mad though. Yeah, look at that. That's like crazy cool, isn't it? Really love that.
There you go. Drag a digit. Don't you just love drag a digit day?
Man, I'd love to scoop and drag off the side of that right now. That'd be freaking cool. Look at the effects you got underneath.
I know. How cool is that?
That's nuts. Love it.
Did you want to scoop it?
No.
I'll let you.
No.
Okay.
I'm digging it as it is.
Right, eh? We'll do a flyover of that.
Yeah, because that's super cool.
How much fun is that?
You got to get the puddle in on the flyover, because that's mad.
That one.
Yeah. Love it. Both sides, actually. Look around the other side.
How much fun is that, though?
That's great. Alright, so I stand corrected. That was fun. I take back the idiot once again.
When in doubt, drag it out.
That's cool. Well, that was fun.
It was fun.
Definitely.
And if you've liked that, everyone, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as we release it.
Come and have some fun with us.
For sure. On that note, have fun, take care,
And
and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.